What's up, traders? It's Mark Sebastian, your only option. And in this edition, I'm going to talk about the meltdown in the S&P 500 and markets as a whole on Friday. We'll look at what happened with the VIX, and then I'll give you the one stock that you need to be paying attention to on Monday and being ready to trade. So with that, let's dig in. Well, I said I thought Friday was going to be bullish the market and bearish volatility. Turned out to be the exact opposite. Why? That consumer confidence number that came out at 10 a.m. Eastern time really spooked the market. And the S&P blew all the way down to the 50-day moving average and stopped. So really nice sell-off through the 21-day, got to the 50 and stopped. Now, if we break there, 59.41 would be in the cards. That'd be another 1% lower. And below that, you'd be talking the 150 all the way down to 5,800. We've not been to the 150-day average since August. We've been through the 100, obviously, in the last, a little over a month ago. So definitely some room to continue to fall if we can break it. But we did land on a really serious support level and hold there. So I think the S&P is probably going to get a little bit of a bounce on Monday, especially we've been seeing the market sell off on Fridays and rally Mondays and Tuesdays. We might see that pattern continue. What's interesting is that for selling off 100 and for how orderly it was, we didn't get a big VIX move. It's back above 18, but it's not like it went all parabolic. Now, we come in on Monday and we're down big again. We could see the VIX break into the 20s, but we continue to see this pattern of lower highs and lower lows. I think we're going to see more of that next week as things continue. Next week, we do have one big earnings. It's not my stock, but this is the one big earning you got to be paying attention to, and that's coming from NVIDIA. NVIDIA reports on the 26th, so be ready for that. Now, what stock do you want to be ready for on Monday? The answer is Amazon. Look at the breakdown in Amazon. Amazon is at the lowest level since December, threatening the 100-day moving average. Obviously, they're worried about the consumer, but with that big dip, if that's down again on Monday and we're near the 100-day moving average, this pink line, I am going to be looking to set up a long. Both Amazon and Walmart, which reported bad earnings, both starting to look pretty tasty. Walmart maybe a little bit more room lower. Amazon not as much. So I'm kind of excited to hop on Amazon. I didn't think we were going to be able to get it near that 212 level anytime soon. Could be a really nice level to trade. Speaking of trade, you've got to have a game plan if you are trading. That's why you got to join me and Vaz in the game plan. You want to check that out. Click this link. If you're watching me on YouTube, please like, subscribe, ask a question about a stock, and I will get to it. All right, folks, I hope you have a great weekend. Keep an eye on Amazon on Monday, and we'll go from there. Have a good one. I am Mark Sebastian. I am your only option. Catch you later.